Hey, welcome back to the channel. I am about to take you in there. That's right. With the owner's permission, we're gonna go explore a 125-year-old abandoned grain elevator. I don't know how long it's been abandoned, but it's a long time and it's nasty. There's only one way down into this place, and you gotta go down tunnels, around corners, past the scale house, down these creepy stairs. Turn on my flashlight. Yeah, we gotta go in there. At least for this part though, there's lights. Oh, well, hopefully that survived. I think I checked all the settings for everything. No, of course I didn't. We're gonna go is inside that door. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's so bad. All right, well, put this headlamp on. What scary things you think lurk in here? You hear that? Oh man. Well, let's go. All right. Hopefully I look amazing. Spent 15 seconds on hair and makeup. Okay, so now maybe I'll just do like this, huh? Stick these two back to back. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Here's a staircase, two staircases. These are the old grain elevator things. There's a staircase. Another staircase. The stories. Oh, it stinks. This ominous looking rope. Fire extinguisher, not real handy if you need a fire extinguisher. This was built at around, what was this built, 1900? So this was all steam powered with belts. That trap doesn't really look like it's up for the job. Ew. Spiders. Look at all the holes in the tin. Oh, look at all the holes in the tin. Fire alarm. It's pneumatic. Huh. Scale. Hey. Gotta watch yourself. Oh, here's the old man lift. Look at this thing. Can you imagine these people? Look at that, there's the thing. We'll check that out when we get up there. What do you think is in this door? Let's see together. Oh, it's a bathroom. Maybe this is where I should have got ready for my shoot today, huh? You got a fan. Oh, what is that? First aid kit or something. Huh. I look like the Halo guy, Master Chief from Halo. This is a neat old thing. That's a big vent, and they used to sweep the debris into there. You know, get sucked out of here. That way we didn't have to have dustpans everywhere. That's how he came up. Look at this, it's an old ledger. Boy, these look like coupons or something. Huh. All right, next floor. Up we go. Gotta be careful and watch your step. This place is so creepy. I can't even convey in words. Just look at all the grain, pigeon stuff. Oh, something here dripping from up there. And the smell, it smells like smells just like what you'd think it would. Oh, there's a pigeon egg there. You can tell this was built in a different time. You just step right down there, it's down forever. There is a handrail, but not much of one. Oh man. Oh, scared me. Oh, those pigeons. Oh. I think it still goes higher. Huh. Not this way. Oh, stairs right behind me. This is nasty. You're actually walking on. You're not even walking on the wood anymore. You're just walking on pigeon refuse. Oh, look at that. Oh, nasty. Oh, you're kidding me. Look at all these pigeons. Oh. It's a foot deep. What I'm worried about is this floor underneath here could be rotten. Oh, look at that. It's not a foot deep, that's like 3 feet deep. I'm a little worried about falling through the floor. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah. I don't even know if I got that. I'm so worried about not falling. I can't hold my cameras. Oh. Look how far down that is. Oh! Hello! Ow! Oh, there's a shovel. That's nice. Oh, this one's hot. Super hot. Oh, a door. Should we go through the door? See if it opens. Oh. Oh! It does open. Oh my gosh. Why do we do this to ourselves? I'm going in here. Oh my word. This fall, I don't know about this. If this floor gives out, I'm going all the way down there. Holy, why? I don't have an answer for this. Look how far down that is. Oh, there's so many noises. Yeah, if we make it to that end down there, we're so out of here. We're out. Oh my gosh, there's a ladder there. No way. I think I can't even get past this. Oh, I'm getting on my Lulus. Oh. Oh, I made it. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. Ominous. I'm really regretting not wearing socks. Well, we made it to the end, a little fresh air. It's so hot up here. It's gotta be like 100. Oh. All right, well, we saw the whole thing. It's time to get the heck out of here. Yeah, we're out of here. Oh, I hope I can fit through. Oh, this tape measure stuck. Yeah, we're out of here. This is enough of this. Oh, I did want to show you one more thing before we leave. This old man lift. Can you believe this thing? This, they would just stand on that. And the pulley goes and up they come, and this must be some sort of a brake or something. I don't know exactly how it works. But look at this. They would stand on it, push that thing, and either go up or down. Unbelievable. All right, well, let's get out of here.